Okay guys, this is my demo setup. So these 4 phones are Workgroup members. And then this phone over here is a customer calling in. And then this is the Workgroup monitor that I was talking about earlier. And this is where you can set thresholds for notifications, based on, again, the calls in queue and the maximum wait time and the average wait time. And then you can actually, you can pick what service, what work groups that would apply to, right? And so then the one work group I have here is service. So, and then here's the connection that is set up between this work group monitor and the actual server. And so if it's having to make a call, then it uses extension 1000. There's its trunk access code. And there's, again, my work groups. And then there's a whole bunch of other options here. Now, this is a version of software that Mitel says is incompatible, and sure enough, there are some things that are not coming up. So there's like an agent view, and that's empty at the moment. And an agent state summary would kind of show you what state each agent is in. That's blank. An agent call answered is blank, and an agent, well, I don't know if I had that, an agent connect percentage. But these items that I have up on the screen are working. So there's an at a glance, which kind of shows you the number of calls in queue, what's been in the longest, what's the average wait time, the number of agents logged in, idle, workgroup call, wrap up. It kind of shows you the call handling mode. And I'm not sure these will register. We'll fire that up. But this chart is working, and it's showing you the number of call arrivals, the number of calls in queue, and the abandoned calls, and it's showing it in time here as we're moving along. And then at the very bottom are the abandoned calls and then calls in queue. So here, I'm going to have you guys watch this screen, and I'm going to fire in 8 calls. Now, these calls are going to go into a queue. There's going to be a prompt, and then there's queue messaging. So while a call is traversing one queue to the other, there are different messaging, and you guys will hear that. And then as a call goes from one queue to the other, it will ring out to available agents to try to get them to answer the call. And likewise, any agent or any workgroup agent can steal a call out of the queue, and I'll show you that briefly as well. So here we go. And you can see the first 2 calls are going to hit the queue here, and the queue already turned orange.
Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. Your call may be recorded. Your call may be recorded. Your call may be recorded for quality.
Okay.
Your call
so
may be recorded for quality assurance.
8 calls nailed up. 8 calls in the queue.
Thank you again. Press 1 to leave a voice message, and an agent will return your call as soon as possible. Or you may remain on the line, and an agent will be with you shortly. Thank you for calling.
And then that's the queue messaging. And then here,
your estimated wait time is 8 minutes.
we can take a call.
Phoenix Outdoor is an internationally
active group focused on products for nature and outdoor life. We offer our clothing and equipment
through our own brands: Fall Raven, Tierra, Primus, Hanwag, and Brutton. We have 25 locations across the USA.
This guy's in wrap-up mode. As soon as he's done with wrap-up, he'll be able to take another call.
An agent will be with you shortly.
Phoenix Outdoor is an internationally active group focused on products for nature and outdoor life.
Okay, so now I got the call. We'll grab the one call that was on hold. We're going to end it. Now we're going to end to wrap up mode. We'll take another call. Let's see what these calls are or not. They must be taking a message. They've been in queue so long. Because there are no calls here, so they must have been abandoned.